We saw when the coronavirus first was really coming to Australia, those long queues of people, and naturally that has started to drop off. And that is why we're seeing calls from the Chief Health Officer, Kerry Chant, actually saying that she wants to ramp up testing across parts of New South Wales and particular suburbs in particular. Overnight in New South Wales, we've recorded 114 new cases of COVID-19. Now, that is the lowest it's been since March 22nd, when we recorded 97 in a 24-hour period. As you say, this is good news. The New South Wales Premier acknowledging that she's happy to see a stabilising of numbers, but says that there is a huge concern around the local transmissions, which are increasing.
Do not look at the case numbers on a daily basis. That's not the number to look at. What we need to consider is the community transmission that we might not even know about. That's the threat.
The Premier says that whilst we have seen a decrease in the number of cases, everyone needs to be assuming that they actually have the disease, and that's how everyone should be behaving. The Chief Health Officer, Kerry Chant, has also said that, of course, one of the reasons why we might have seen a drop in numbers of cases is because we have seen a decline in testing. As I said, this is something she wants to ramp up, particularly across Bondi and Waverley, which are hotspots in Sydney's east.
Around various hotspots or areas where investigating clusters that are under investigation. So there'll be a mix of strategies. We're also working with St Vincent's Hospital to establish a pop-up site in Bondi.
Something that is a bit worrying that emerged this morning, Tom, is that despite the Prime Minister announcing some time ago that all domestic travel was banned, a lot of people are still going to holiday houses, their own or either renting them, to try and get away and get some space. Now, that is not allowed. The New South Wales Police Commissioner has said that the reason why it's not is because the health system is designed to support the population in those areas.
You're in a lockdown wherever you live. Whatever your primary home is, that's where we want you to stay. Our health system is based on where our population is spread. You know, we have big hospitals and we have small hospitals. If everybody floods the south coast and the north coast and the virus spreads, the health system is not designed to manage that. And of course, the locals are concerned as well that they are listening to self-isolation. They're following the rules. I think we've got to get in this together, yeah?
For anyone that has gone away, they are urged to return home as soon as possible. And then we've also seen calls from the New South Wales Nationals leader, John Barilaro. He said that despite many people having good intentions of going regional and trying to support particularly communities that are fire affected, he says they need to stay put where they are. It's not the time to do a regional trip, particularly over Easter.